Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Today we are moving on to the next lesson. Lesson number 2, Computer Software. Shall we start the lesson now? Okay. First of all, we will see what is hardware and what is software. See, hardware. Hardware is the physical parts of a computer. For example, keyboard, monitor, speaker, mouse, or some of the hardware. Hardware is nothing but the parts of the computer that you can touch are called hardwares. Then software. Software is a set of instructions given to a computer to do a particular task. Software is a set of instructions given to a computer to do a particular task. For example, calculator. Calculator is a software used to do some calculations. Then paint. Paint will be installed in your computer itself. Paint is a software used to draw and paint in your computer. Next, both hardware and software of a computer work together to form the computer system. Both the hardware and the software should work together to make the computer to do a specific task. Understand, children? See, children, now you are seeing the picture of hardware and software. This is the picture of hardware and this is the picture of software. There are hardwares like monitor, CPU, speakers, then keyboard and mouse. This hardware includes both input device and output device. Understood, children? Then next, this is the picture of software. There are some of the software like Paint, Adobe, Chrome, Recycle Bin, etc. These are the software that we use in our computer system. Understood, children? Now are you clear with what is hardware and what is software? Now we will learn about software in detail. See, software, there are two main types of software. One is system software and the other one is application software. The system software is again subdivided into operating system and utility software. I'll tell you again, there are two main types of software. One is system software and the other one is application software. The system software is subdivided into two categories, operating system and utility software. Now we will see about these things in detail. Okay, children, I told software is divided into two main types, system software and application software. Now, what is system software? System software consists of programs that manage and control the overall working of a system. This means the system software controls the whole working of the computer system. Understood? Now, the system software is divided into operating system and utility software. We'll see about the operating system. Operating system is the most important system software of a computer that helps the hardware work with the software. We saw about hardware and software. Hardware and software should work together to form a computer system. Already I told that. So, hardware and software will work together with the help of operating system. So, without the operating system, the computer cannot perform any task. Understood, children? Now, some of the examples of operating system are, see, I have given the examples with the pictures. Some of the examples are Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS and Linux. Understood? This is about the operating system. The second type of software is utility software. Utility software are the programs that manage the functioning of a computer and its devices. These programs help the computer system to perform better. So, with the help of utility software, the computer system will perform better. It manages the functioning of computer and its devices. So the utility software boosts up the performance of the computer system. Some of the utility softwares are antivirus software, backup software, compression software. Antivirus software protects the computer from malicious software called virus. Malicious means harmful. So antivirus software will protect the computer from harmful software called virus. With the help of antivirus software, virus will not affect the computer system. Some of the examples of antivirus software are MCAFE, Norton and AVG. See, this is the picture of the antivirus software called AVG. Next, backup software. Backup software helps to create extra copies of important files in the computer. Extra copies means without including the original copy, there will be some more copies in the computer system, some more copies of your files in the computer system. So the backup software will take all the copies of your files and store in it, so that if your file is deleted, you can go to the backup software and take from it. Okay, understood? Some of the examples of backup software are Google Drive, OneDrive. See, this is the picture of the backup software, Google Drive. Then compression software. Compression software shrink heavy files so that they take up less space. Compression software will make the file size smaller. Okay, understood? Make the file size smaller so that only less space will be occupied in the computer system on saving it. For example, WinZip, WinRAR, 7-zip. This is the picture of WinRAR, compression software called WinRAR. Understood, children? Children, now you all will be clear with what is system software. We'll move on to the next type of software called application software. Application software are the programs that helps to do specific jobs such as create documents, send emails, draw and paint, and play games. Application software are used to do some specific jobs in your computer system. Understood? These are the application software used in your computer system. The first one is word processor. Word processor is used to work with text. For example, if you want to create any document or type any letter, we can use word processor. Most commonly used word processor is Microsoft Word and WordPad. The second one is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet works with the numerical data, that is numbers. Spreadsheet is used to do perform some of the calculations. For example, if you want to perform any calculation, we can use spreadsheet. The most commonly used spreadsheet is Microsoft Excel. Third one is database software. Database software is used to store any large amount of data in your computer system. For example, if you want to store all the details of the students in our school, we can use the database software. The most commonly used database software and the basic one is Microsoft Access. Then fourth one is presentation software. Presentation software works with text, images, audio and video. If you want to make slides with these things for business or education, we can use presentation software. The most common one is Microsoft PowerPoint. Then graphics software. If you want to work with graphics software works with drawing, photographs, cartoons, etc. If you want to make any graphics, we can use graphics software. The commonly used graphics software is Paint. Paint will be installed in your computer. I don't have the picture here. You can see in your computer. The next one is multimedia software. Multimedia software works with audio, video and animation files. If you want to do any animation With the help of audio and video, you can use the multimedia software. Most commonly used multimedia software is Windows Media Player and Windows Movie Maker. Windows Media Player is installed in your computer. Then the last one is Desktop Publishing Software, that is DTP software. It works with it is used to design books, magazines, posters, etc. With the help of DTP software only, the posters will be designed by combining the text and the graphics. With the help of text and graphics, posters, books, magazines, etc. will be designed. Example for DTP software is CorelDRAW. See, application software, this is the definition of application software, and all the application software that we are using, these are the pictures of these application software. Understood? Children, while discussing about the operating system, we saw Windows 7 as an application as an example for operating system. Now we will see about Windows 7. Windows is the most commonly used operating system in computers. Windows operating system will be used by most of the computer users. So this is the most common one. It has graphical user interface GUI. GUI is used to operate the computer through graphical icons. I'll tell about this one. These are the versions of Windows operating system: Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. So Windows 7 is one of the version of Windows operating systems. Then after you switch on a computer with Windows 7 operating system, desktop appears. Desktop appears in your computer as the first screen after you switching on your computer. See children, this is the picture of desktop. It will appear as the first screen after you switching on your computer system. It has graphical images or symbols called icons. See, GUI is used to work with icons. Now we are seeing what is icon. It has graphical images or symbols called icons. They can be opened by double clicking on it. See, these are all the icons that are available on the desktop. If you double click on any one of the icon, it will open. Double clicking means clicking on that icon 2 times. Double clicking means clicking on that icon 2 times continuously. So if you click on that icon continuously 2 times, it will be opened. Understood? Desktop is the first screen that appears after switching on your computer system. It has many icons. Icons means symbols. If you double click on it, it will be opened. Understood children? Children, I told this is the screen called desktop and these are all icons. Then what is this rectangular box at the bottom of the screen? We'll see about this now. Taskbar. The name of this rectangular box is taskbar. The taskbar is at the bottom of the home screen. Home screen is first screen. The first screen is desktop. The taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop. Then what and all it contains? What are all the available on the desktop? These are all available on the desktop. Start button, notification area, show desktop button, then quick launch area. See, this is called start button. Start button will be on the extreme left. Extreme left means left end of the taskbar. At the left end of the taskbar, start button is available. Next, notification area. This is called notification area. Has icons such as language, time, date, battery status and so on. So it has some of the icons, some of the small images, such as language, time, date. See, time and date is available here, and some more icons are available here. The name of this full box is notification area. Then show desktop button. See, this is show desktop button. On pressing it takes you back to the desktop. If you are working in any other screen, if you want to come directly to the desktop, we can press this show desktop button. Anywhere else, wherever you work, it will directly come to this desktop on pressing it. Then quick launch area. See, this full area is quick launch area. It shows all the programs that are currently open on the system. See, these are all the programs that are opened on the system. So it shows all the programs that are opened on the system. See, these are all the programs that are opened on the system. So it shows in the quick launch area. Understood? While discussing about desktop, I already told some of the graphical symbols are available on the desktop. They are called icons. A small graphical symbols available on the desktop called icons. Now we will see what and all we can do with the help of icons. Some of the icon available on the desktop, or one of the icon available on the desktop is computer, my computer icon. See, this is my computer icon, and this is the shortcut icon. Shortcut to view files and folders in Drive. If you double click on this icon, we can view all the files and folders that are available in your computer system. Then this is the shortcut icon. What is shortcut icon? Direct link to actual programs, files and folders. See, this is the shortcut icon, and this is the direct link to the program, files and folders. If you click on it, we can go to this my computer directly. If icon is not available, we can go to my computer on going to start and pressing on my computer option. Here the shortcut icon is available, so we can move to my computer directly on double clicking on it. If you delete it, the program, folder or file itself will not get deleted. See, this is the shortcut icon. How you say this is a shortcut icon? With the help of this arrow. If it is a shortcut icon, there will be an arrow like this. If this icon is deleted, the whole program will not get deleted. We can go to my computer in any other way. Understood? If this is deleted, it won't be deleted from your computer. Program, file or folder icon without arrow is not a shortcut. See, this is the file without arrow. Here arrow is available, here arrow is not available. So this is not a shortcut icon. It is actually saved on the desktop. It is saved in the desktop. Like how we are saving in E:, G:, like that, this file is saved in desktop. This is not a shortcut icon. If it is deleted, the program, file or folder will get deleted. If this icon is deleted, the whole file will be deleted from the computer system, and we cannot get this in any way from the computer. Understood? This is about icons. Children, now we will see how to create the shortcut icon for Word. Children, this is the picture of shortcut icon for Microsoft Office Word. Here arrow is available, so this is a shortcut icon. These are all the steps to create the shortcut icon for Microsoft Office Word. The first step is click on Start button, then click on All Programs. Third one is scroll down to Microsoft Office and click on it. Fourth step is drag the Microsoft Office Word 2010 program to the desktop. First we have to go to start, then all programs, then Microsoft Office. Then we should not click on Microsoft Office Word, we should drag the Microsoft Office Word 2010 program to the desktop. These are all the steps to create shortcut icon for Microsoft Office Word. Now we'll create shortcut icon for Microsoft Office Excel. Okay. See, I don't have any shortcut icon for Microsoft Office Excel. Now we are going to create a shortcut icon for Microsoft Office Excel. For that we have to go to start button. Click on start button, then click on all programs. Go to Microsoft Office. See, Microsoft Office Excel 2007 is available. We should drag it. Dragging means clicking on it without leaving the click. We have to drop it in the desktop. Click and drag it in the desktop. See, now Microsoft Office Excel 2007 shortcut icon is available here. If you open it, Microsoft Office Excel will be opened. Now these are all the steps for creating Microsoft Office Word 2010 shortcut icon. Understood? First we have to go to start, all programs, Microsoft Office, then for which one you have to create shortcut icon, you have to drag and drop that one. Clear? Children, now we will see some of the important icons that are available on the desktop. First one is networking icon, then the second one is recycle bin icon. See, this is the picture of networking icon and this is the picture of recycle bin icon. For networking icon there will be a computer and the globe. For recycle bin there will be a glass shaped icon. It will be called as recycle bin icon. First we will see what is the use of this networking icon. Networking icon is used to access, share files or devices in a network of computers and devices. If you want to share files from one computer to another computer, we can use this networking icon. Clear? Then the second one is recycle bin icon. When you delete a folder or file, it goes to recycle bin. Now if you are deleting a file or a folder from your computer system, it will not lost. It will go to recycle bin and stays there itself. You can get it back if you delete any file by mistake. If you deleted any one important file, you can go to this recycle bin and you can take that. It stays there until you permanently delete it or restore it. How long it will stay there? It will stay there until you permanently delete it. If you delete it permanently, it won't be there. Or restore it. Restoring means it will go to the place where it was saved. If it is restored, it will be not available in the recycle bin. Understood? Now you understood what is the use of networking icon and what is the use of recycle bin icon. These are some of the important icons that are available on the desktop. Children, now we are going to see how to delete a file and how to restore it again. First, this is a step for deleting a file. Right click on the file or folder, then go to delete and click on yes. It goes to the recycle bin. Already I told, if a file is deleted, it will go to the recycle bin. Now we have to do the step, right click on the file or folder, delete and go to the option yes. Now I am going to delete a file from my computer. See, there is a file, a word file called Max. I am going to delete this file. So go to Max, right click on it, click on delete, then click on yes. Now the file is getting deleted and it was got deleted. it goes to recycle bin. If you open recycle bin, there is a file called max available in the recycle bin, so it got deleted and came to the recycle bin. So these are the steps for deleting a file from our computer. Now how to restore it? Why we have to restore it? If you deleted a file or folder by mistake, if you want it again, at that time we can restore it. What are the steps for restoring? Go to recycle bin, right click on the file or folder, then click on restore. The other way is go to recycle bin, click on the file or folder. So we have to do left click, normal click on the file or folder, then go to restore this item, which will be displayed at the top of the recycle bin. We have to go to this option, restore this item. There are two ways. The easier one is this one. Now we'll restore the file max again into our computer. So go to recycle bin, right click on the file or folder that you want to restore. So we have to restore max, so right click on it, then go to restore. Otherwise go to restore this item. We can go to this option or right click on it, click on restore. Now the file max is not available in recycle bin, and it came to the older place itself, it came to the desktop itself, so it is restored. Now the file max is restored. Then how to delete a file permanently from the computer? We should not restore it like that. How to do? To delete a folder or file permanently, follow the steps for deleting. First we should delete from our computer, and we should delete from the recycle bin. Recycle bin, go to recycle bin, right click on the file or folder and go to delete. First we should delete the file max from our computer. So right click on it, delete, click on yes, it went to recycle bin. Go to recycle bin, then right click on it, click on delete, then click on yes. Now the file max is not available in the recycle bin, and the file max is not available in the older place also. So this says that the file max is deleted permanently and we cannot restore it again in our computer. Understood, children? These are the green color text or the important steps to delete, restore and delete a file permanently from our computer. Understood? Children, now we are going to see how to delete and restore all the files from the recycle bin. First, we are going to see restoring all the files from the recycle bin. For that, first we have to go to recycle bin, then click on restore all items, then click on yes. Go to recycle bin, click on restore all items and click on yes, so that all the items will go to the older places itself. Now in my computer I am going to restore all the items from the recycle bin. For that, go to recycle bin first, then there are 3 files, English, PDF and one folder called photos. I am going to restore all the items from this recycle bin. Then click on yes. So all the items went to the older place itself, so it is not available in the recycle bin. See, all the items came to the older place itself. There is a file called English, there is a file called PDF and there is a folder called photos. Now all the items came to the older place itself. Now we are going to see how to delete all the items from the recycle bin. For that, right click on the recycle bin icon, empty recycle bin, then click on yes, or go to recycle bin, go to empty recycle bin, then click on yes. See, follow this one. Recycle bin, go to recycle bin, empty recycle bin, and then click empty recycle bin, then click on yes. Now I am going to delete all the files from the recycle bin. See, first I am going to delete from the desktop so that it will go to recycle bin. So I have deleted 2 files and 1 folder from the desktop. It went to recycle bin. See, there are 2 files and 1 folder in the recycle bin. Now I am going to delete permanently all the files from the recycle bin. For that, you should go to empty recycle bin. Empty the recycle bin and go to yes. Now all the files and folders in the recycle bin have been deleted permanently. See, it is not available in the recycle bin and it is not available in the older place. That is, it is not restored and it is not available in the desktop also. So it is deleted permanently. We cannot get it back from the recycle bin or from anywhere else. In this way, we should delete and restore all the files from the recycle bin. Understood, children? These green color text are the ways for deleting and restoring all the files from the recycle bin. Understood? Children, now we are going to see how to change the color scheme of the desktop. For that, you have to follow this way. Go to desktop, right click on it and go to personalize option. Click on personalize option and click on Windows color. First, right click on the desktop, click on personalize and click on Windows color. Then there we have to choose the color we want and click on save changes. Now we will change the color scheme of our desktop. First, go to desktop, right click on the desktop, go to personalize and click on that option. Personalize will be opened. Here go to window color. This is window color. Go to window color, change the color you want. I am changing this color. I am changing from the blue to pink color. Then click on save changes. Yes, I have clicked on save changes. Now window color is changed to pink color. So the theme is changed to pink color. Now the theme of the desktop is changed to pink color. Understood? In this way, we should change the color scheme of the desktop. Understood, children? Children, now we are moving on to the interesting option that is available in your computer called gadgets. Gadgets is one of the interesting one that is available in our computer. First of all, we will see what is gadget. Gadgets are the mini programs like calendar, clock, weather and picture puzzle. These are called gadgets. How to add gadgets to your desktop? We can add calendar or clock or picture puzzle to your desktop. How to add it? Right click on the desktop, then click on gadgets. Then there you should double click on the gadget you want. Okay, first we are going to add a gadget to our computer. For that, right click on the desktop, go to gadgets option, click on it. Gadgets will be opened. The available gadgets will be opened. Double click on the gadgets you want. I am going to insert calendar to my desktop, so double click on it. It will come to our desktop. See, it is placed in our desktop. We can move anywhere in the desktop. See, calendar is available. It uh, it shows the date, today's date also. Okay, now we'll see what are the options available, what are the buttons available in the gadgets. Close button, larger size, options, then drop gadget. Close button is used to remove it from the desktop. Larger size is used to make it bigger. Options is used to change its settings. Drop gadget, we can drop gadget, it can be used for moving it anywhere else on desktop. See, this is close button, this is larger size button, this is options button. Then for drop gadget we can drag and drop it. Okay, now I'll show the buttons that are available. See, close button, larger size, this is drag gadget. See, larger size is used to make the calendar larger. Drop gadget is used to drag and drop the gadget. Then close button is used to remove the gadget from the desktop. If I want to remove the gadget, then click on close. Now the gadget is removed. If you want to add the gadget, again go to desktop, right click on it and go to gadgets. Now you can double click the gadget you want. Understand, children? In this way you can add any gadget that is available in your computer. Understood, children? Now we are going to see some of the gadgets that are available in your computer system. The first one is clock. Clock displays time. It is used to display time. Click on options button to change the look of the clock. We can change the design of the clock by clicking on the options button. Name the clock or change the time zone displayed. We can keep the name for the clock, or we can also change the time zone that is displayed on the clock. The second one is slideshow. Shows pictures stored on computer in a continuous slideshow. Slideshow shows all the pictures that is stored in your computer in the form of slideshow. Make it bigger or select which pictures you want the slideshow to display. We can make the gadget bigger, or we can also select the pictures that you want to display in the slideshow. The last one is picture puzzle. Gives tile game on desktop. It will provide you with the game to play on the desktop. Click on option button and choose from the different pictures available. We can go to option button and choose any one of the picture from the available pictures to play the tile game. See, these are the gadgets that I have explained now. This is the clock gadget. This is the slideshow gadget to display all the pictures in the form of slideshow. This is the tile game to play on the desktop. We can change the places of these tiles and we can play in our computer. Understood? These are the some of the gadgets that are available in your system. Understood, children? Children, with this the second lesson is over. Now your home assignment is fill the book back exercises in your computer science book and write the question answers in your computer science book note neatly. You have to fill all the book exercises in your book and you have to write all the question and answers in your note neatly. The answers for all the book exercises and all the question answers, I have sent that in the PDF. You can check it and finish the home assignment. And side by side you have to read and make all these book exercise and question answers thorough. Anytime test can be kept, so be thorough in this book exercise and question answers. And thank you.